Hello guys, today this is a very simple way on how to set up a extension mining on your Android. The first thing you need to do in any project, okay, there will be a registration link. Make sure you register and complete your registration. The step 2, which is extension, you will have extension link below any extension mining. All you just need to do is copy it, okay. Like for example, now let me paste about grass, okay. Let's use grass as an example. You paste it on the search bar, okay. Once you paste it, let me show you again. You just have to come to your search bar here and then paste the extension which is you copy. We are using grass as an example. Once you paste it, okay, you will click on search. You will search it. So after you search it, then it's going to bring you to the page to install it, okay. So first of all, I want to change this now. So once you get to the extension page, so the extension page for the Android is Chrome. You must try to use Mist browser, okay. Mist browser will direct you to Chrome to add it to your extension, okay. So now let us do it now together. Let's check now. For example, let's check this extension. This is what extension means. Let's click on it now. Let's click on it. You will see that you do not see grass here. There's no grass in this extension that is here. So now for us to add this grass to this extension here, all we need to do is click on add to Chrome. As you can see, you click on this. Once you click on add to Chrome and then you click OK. So once you add it to Chrome, you wait for it to be added. Wait for it. As you can see now, it has been added. Then once it is added, you will see remove from Chrome. Don't click it. It shows that it has been added. So all you need to do is go to your extension, okay. Go to your extension up here again. This is where to get extension or Mist browser. That is why I'm using Mist browser. So once you click on this extension, you are going to see grass light node. This is it. As you can see now, all you just need to do is click on it, click on the grass, and then so once you click on the grass, all you need to do is click on login, okay. You remember you have already registered. All you need to do is click on login. So once you click on login, then the next step is that you are going to log in with your details. That means your email or your username that you used to register grass, and then wait for it to load. And then after it has loaded, okay, as you can see now, this is my it's showing that I should log in. So let's see, because I've already logged in, so this is what this is my Henny. I'm trying to. So after you've logged in again, then you have to go here the second time and click on grass light node. So wait for it. Once you have already logged in, you will see it has been connected. So this is how to go about any node mining, okay. First, register with the registration link. 2, download your Mist browser and search for the extension, add it, then click on the extension and then log in. So that's all about extension mining.
If there is any question, drop them at the comment section, and don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel, please.